Some integer problems will have more than 2 or even more than 3 or more than 4 integers in the same problem, and it will ask you to find the sum or combine them or add them. And sometimes we're tempted to just take all the numbers and add them together, but that would be if they were all positive or all negative. And a lot of times there's going to be some positives and some negatives. So we use a strategy where we make a t-chart for that. So an example problem would be this one. It says find the sum, and then it gives us 5 integers. Some are positive, some are negative. So we're going to make a t-chart. And in your t-chart, you're going to put your positives on one side and your negatives on the other side. So in our problem, on the positive side, we've got a positive 3, we've got a positive 2, and a positive 1. And then on the negative side, we've got a negative 7 and a negative 5. Notice that these are the same sign. That's why we're grouping them together, okay? Same sign. And remember, same sign, we find the sum. So down at the bottom of our t-chart, we're going to combine our positives and combine our negatives, because same sign, we find the sum and keep the same sign. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6, and because they're all positive, that's a positive 6. And 7 plus 5 is 12, and because those are both negative, that's a negative 12. Okay, so that was part of it, but we're not done, because we've still got those two numbers that we need to combine. But notice this time, they are different signs. Different signs, we find the difference. So that means we subtract. 12 minus 6 gives me 6. And we have more negatives, so it's going to be negative 6. Okay, so remember that you can always go back and rewatch this video. You can pause it at any time. Just remember, make a t-chart, separate out your positives, separate out your negatives, and then when you get one positive and one negative, you're going to find the difference, different signs, you find the difference, see if you have more positives or more negatives, and that's going to tell you what your answer is going to be.